In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Sam's Club membership card. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the official Sam's Club website and take a look at the membership options available. Sam's Club typically offers two main plans. The club membership is the standard option, which gives you access to shop in store and online. The Plus membership includes those same core benefits, but it also adds extra perks like free shipping on eligible online orders over a certain amount, Sam's Cash on qualifying purchases, early shopping hours, and additional savings on select services. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to compare the benefits so you can choose the plan that best fits how you plan to shop. Once you've decided which membership sounds right for you, the next step is to join either online or in person. If you're signing up online, head to the official Sam's Club membership page and select the option to join. If you'd rather do it face to face, you can also go to the member services desk at any Sam's Club location and enroll there instead. Both options will get you to the same result, so just choose whichever is more convenient. After that, you'll need to enter your information during registration. This usually includes your full name, mailing address, and other standard account details needed to create your membership. Make sure everything is entered accurately, since this information will be tied to your account and can help avoid delays later on. Next, select your membership tier if you haven't already finalized it during the sign-up process. This is where you'll review the annual membership cost and the included benefits one more time before continuing. Taking a moment here can help you confirm that you're choosing the right value for your needs. Then, add a payment method to pay for the annual membership. You'll typically use a valid credit or debit card for this step. You may also be given the choice to turn on automatic renewal. If you prefer uninterrupted membership access, auto-renew can be helpful, but it's entirely up to you. Once that's done, review all of your information carefully and submit your registration. After your payment is successfully processed, your membership will become active. Finally, access your membership card. The fastest option is to download the Sam's Club app, where you can usually view your digital membership card